walang laman. There's ice there. So there's no food. Sometimes the guests left a lot of food here because they stayed longer. So they have a lot of dishes. They have a lot of food left over. So you're gonna spray all over the floor and then mop it. So after I finish cleaning here, I take a picture and then I send to the team that Good morning guys, welcome back to my vlogs Feel I'm Life in America. So today guys, I'm here today at work. As you can see, it's a lot of pillows everywhere because this is what I do here in California, guys. So yeah, I just wanted to share with you guys what we do here to survive in the States. My husband and I, we've been doing this for 6 years since we moved here in California. So yeah, we are contractor of the Airbnd company here in Los Angeles. We do the housekeeping. So we make the bed, we clean, we take all the dirty linens out of the bed. That's what I'm doing right now. And then I'm gonna replace with the new linens, which is I have it with me right here. This is clean already. And that's my vacuum and my cleaning supply. So today someone will checking in at 4 p.m. today. So and this is for the sofa bed, so I just prepared this on the side of the couch, and this is like a sofa bed couch. So if they need it, just gonna pull this couch. You know, you can see, don't want to make the sofa bed, so I just lay on the side of the couch. And again guys, just wanna tour you around of this cute studio size here in Hollywood. And this is like their small, like a hangout area or the dining area. You can use as dining area. So this is the dining area here. This is a big studio, good size. And this is the kitchen right behind me. Yeah, that's the kitchen guys. So let me take you to the kitchen. So again guys, this is what we do. Empty ref. Walang laman. There's ice there. So there's no food. Sometimes the guests left a lot of food here because they stayed longer. So they have a lot of dishes. They have a lot of food left over. But today the guests stayed only one night. So we cleaned this unit yesterday. And now I have to clean it again. So it's not that dirty. The kitchen still pretty clean, but still I have to wipe all the kitchen's area because it's dusty. So this is the bathroom guys. Here the towel is still hanging around. Towel on the floor. So I haven't done anything here yet in the bathroom. So I'm gonna take all the towels here, and I'm gonna clean the shower, and I'm gonna clean the bathroom, the whole thing guys. So I'll see you guys later after I'm finished cleaning all everything here. So I'll see you guys around. Stay tuned. Hi guys, I'm back. Pinapawisan ako. I was sweating while I'm cleaning the bathroom. So I did not show you how I clean the bathroom because it's gonna be a long time before I finish here. So I'm almost done here guys. I cleaned the shower and the toilet. So I'm just gonna mop the floor and I'm cleaning the mirror. Well, the mirror. So I'm almost done here, guys. On the bathroom, so I already make the see, I have to wipe the sink. You know, guys, like when I clean units, I make sure that everything is clean and everything is perfect. Not perfect, but everything is clean, and so that the guests will check in, everything is nice and neat, you know. So maayos tingnan. So I'm just gonna wipe the sink here. I'm using paper towel to wipe so it dry fast. Alright, so I'm done here. Looks good. So I'm just gonna mop the floor in the bathroom and pick up the paper towel on the floor. So I already finished making the bed, so I vacuum everything here already. So I vacuum everything here, the living room. So I finished the bed right there, guys. So I see you guys after I finish. Hi guys, so I'm ready to mop. I'm using Fabulosa because this is smells nice. After you're done, the house smells really clean. So I'm gonna mop now. So you're gonna spray all over the floor and then mop it. So after I finish cleaning here, I take a picture and then I send to the team that everything here is been done. And I also do the checklist and send it to them as well. Alright guys, so then here, now I'm gonna mop the living room. See you guys around. Getting tired mopping. Alright guys, I'm done here. So thank you so much guys for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. And don't forget to like and subscribe guys. If you haven't been subscribing, please subscribe now. And thank you so much for watching. Oh, I'm sweating. So I'm done here now, so I'm gonna go, and I see you guys next time. Thank you for watching. Bye for now. Bye.